How to increase Snapchat friends limit. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to increase your Snapchat friends limit, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. After finding it, you have to tap on it. After tapping on Snapchat like this, Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. After Snapchat is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the plus like, friend like icon on the top. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the message like icon on the downside, and then what you can do is you can tap onto any of the friend that is on your very Snapchat that you do not need. So after you tap on the very friend that you do not need on what Snapchat, what you can do is you can follow the next steps. First of all, you have to tap on your friend like this, and then what you can do is you can go to the next option. That is, you can tap on the person's face like this, and then go to the three dots on the top side, and here you have to go to the option of manage the friendship, and then go to the option of remove the friend. So this way you can remove various kind of friends that you do not need in the very Snapchat. And after you just remove your friends like this that you do not need in Snapchat, what happens is that you can go to the option like this, go to the three dots, and then again go to the option of the manage friendship and go to the option of remove friend. So after this, if you remove all of your friends, you can add new friends and your friends limit will be added on Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.